In this video series, we'll be installing ROCKWOOL CAVITYROCK in a variety of cladding attachment systems. In this specific video, we'll feature ROCKWOOL CAVITYROCK installed with the Heckman Posi tie system. The Posi tie is a two-piece system for attaching brick and stone veneer to various existing backup walls. The barrel screw piece is installed to the backup wall and projects beyond the plane of the exterior insulation. Step 1. Measure spacing. The first step when installing any cladding attachment system is to measure and mark out the attachment spacing to make sure you fasten to the steel stud structure.
What I've done is transpose the stud location to the mineral wool.
Ensure that the cladding attachments are plumb and properly spaced as you continue to install the fasteners and the remaining clips. Step 2. Install barrel screw pieces. Install the barrel screw pieces through the insulation to the backup wall at 16 inches on center, or as required by the structural engineer. It is important that there are no voids or gaps in the insulation in order to maintain thermal barrier continuity. You are now ready to install your mechanical insulation attachments and proceed with the cladding.